second graders, it's Mrs. Daniel from Citizenship Academy, and today we will be working on Module 7, Lesson 13. Let's look at our objective. Solve two-step word problems involving dollars or cents with totals within $100 or $1. So let's look at our word problem. Gary has 2 dimes, 5 nickels, and 13 pennies. His brother gives him 1 more coin. Now he has 68 cents. What coin did his brother give him? So the first thing we have to do is we can draw a picture to show what information we have. So we know that we have 2 dimes. So here's our 2 dimes. We know that we have 5 nickels. 5 nickels. And we know that we have 13 pennies, which is the same as 3 cents, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13 cents. So this is how much money Gary has. Okay, let's count how much we have. 10, count with me. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Or you could break it up like this. 20 for the 2 tens, 10, 20. If you look at how many we have with the nickels, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So we have 20 plus 25 plus 13 gives us 58. He has 58 cents. So now it says his brother gives him 1 more coin. Okay? And now, after he gets that 1 more coin, now he has 68 cents. And we have to figure out what coin did his brother give him. Well, we know that of all the coins we can have a penny. So would we go up 1 cent from 58 to 68? Did we go up 1 penny? 58 and 1 more would be 59. So it's not a penny, okay? Or we have a nickel, which is worth 5 cents. Did they go up 5 cents? 58 plus 5 more, does that get us up to 68? No. We have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents. 58 up 25 cents? Nope. So if you can do how I'm doing it and you can count up, that's usually how I like to do these type of problems. Or you can turn it into a subtraction problem and say, okay, I know that now he has 68 cents. I'm going to take away 58 cents, that's how much he has, and we're going to see what's the difference, and that'll tell us how much he got. So right away, I see that my ones place is the same number and my tens place is just 1 number off, which tells me that there's a difference of 10 cents. So if he got 10 cents, what coin did he get? His brother gave him a dime. Okay, his brother gave him a dime, which is worth 10 cents. Let's look at another problem. Haley bought a pretzel stick for a dime and a nickel. She also bought a juice box for 18 cents more than the pretzel stick. How much did she spend on the pretzel and juice box? So this is a 2-step problem. There's 2 parts to the problem. First, we have to figure out how much the pretzel stick was. So she bought the pretzel stick for a dime and a nickel. So we need to figure out how much is 10 and 5 more cents. So we have 15 cents. So the pretzel is 15 cents. 10 and 5 more with the nickel gives you 15 cents. So then she bought a juice box for 18 cents more than the pretzel stick. So the juice box was 15 cents plus 18 more cents, because it was 18 more cents than the pretzel stick. So you can show this like this, okay? So you've got your 15, and then this part is your 15, and then we have 18 more. So now what do we need to do? What should we do with our two numbers? We need to add them. We need to add 15 cents for pretzel stick plus 18 more cents, because that's how much the juice box is. We're still trying to figure out how much the juice box cost. So the juice box cost 33 cents. But now they want to know, see why this is two parts? This is a couple steps. Now we know that the juice box cost 33 cents. But now the question is, how much did she spend on the pretzel and the juice box? So now we have to add, how much was the pretzel? 15 cents. How much did we spend on the juice box? 33 cents. So now we have to add 33 plus 15. So 15 cents for the pretzel plus 33 cents for the juice box gives us 48 cents. Whew, that was a lot of work. Did you guys keep up with me? And then here's our sentence. Haley spent 48 cents on the juice box and pretzel. Remember, you always use part of the question to answer, to write your response. Show your answer. Okay, let's look at this problem. Wendell bought a game at the store for $16. He had 2 $5 bills and 4 $1 bills left over. How much money did he have before buying the game? So he went to the store. We don't know how much money he started with. That's what we're trying to figure out. How much did he start with? We don't know yet. But we know that he bought a game for $16. So he had at least $16 because he spent that on the game. And after he bought that game for $16, he had 2 $5 bills and 4 $1 bills left over. Okay, so let's see if we can draw a picture. So we have our 2 $5 bills and our 4 $1 bills. That's how much he had left over. So that's 10 plus 4 gives us 14. And now we also have to add it to how much he spent already, because we want to know how much he started with at the very beginning. So now we're going to add 14 plus the 16 that he used to buy the game. And you add those two together and you get 30. So our sentence is that Wendell had $30 at first. Okay, so before he bought the game, Wendell had $30. Okay, now we'll do this little activity for just a couple minutes here. And basically, we're going to think about all the ways that we can combine coins and break apart a dollar. So it's called a decomposition tree. So if we have 3 quarters on one side, how much more do we need to get to $1? We have 3 quarters. How much more do we need? We need 1 quarter. What about if we have 50 cents? Say it quick. How much more do we need to get to $1? 50 cents? How much more do we need? 50 cents. Very good. What about if we have 5 cents? How much more do we need to get to $1 or 100 cents? If we have 5 cents, how much more do we need? 95 cents. Very good. What about 75 cents? Start with 75. How much more do we need? 25. Very good. How about if we start with 45 cents? How much more do we need? Count up. 55 cents. I knew that 45 was close to 50, and I know that 50 plus 50 equals 100. So that's how I did that in my head. What if you have 55? How much more do you need? 45 cents. They just swapped these two, see? 45, 55, 55, 45. What if you have 5 dimes? If you have 5 dimes, how much more do you need to get to $1? 5 dimes. You can count by 5s all the way up to 100. What if you have 50 pennies? How many more pennies do you need? 50, right? 50 plus 50 equals 100. Last one, we can't see it. 10 nickels. We have 10 nickels. We need 10 more nickels to get to 100. 10 nickels equals 50, and another 10 nickels equals 50 cents. All right, friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.